In today's lesson, you are going to start learning how to use the slope-intercept form. This equation, y equals mx plus b, is going to pop up Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2. You're going to see it all over the SATs. You're going to see it in business. This is a linear equation. It is a very useful thing. So let's talk about what the bits and pieces mean. The slope-intercept form is a formula for the equation of a line using its slope and its y-intercept. Now let's mark some parts. Y equals m. M is the slope. Whatever the number is in front of the x is the slope. And b is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. Now, if you think back to day one when you learned how to plot points, when your x-coordinate is 0, that means you're not going across left and right, you're right at the origin. And your y-coordinate is something, that's the y-intercept. I'm going to show it. Now let's do the first part, graphing through a given point with a given slope. I'm going to write an equation. Actually, I'm going to write some information. So I'm going to say a given slope of 3, and point will be, let's do 2, 4. Okay? Given slope of 3 and our point of 2, 4. So when you are graphing through a given point with a given slope, given means we give you the information, you don't have to figure any of it out. So step 1, start by plotting the given point on the coordinate plane. Here is our point, 2, 4. I'm going to plot it. Across 2, up 4. From that point, count out the slope. Now remember what you learned about last time, slope. Slope is rise over run. If my slope is 3, I imagine, oh yeah, 3 over 1. So I'm going to go up 3. I'll use a different color. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1 in a positive direction. You use the point we give you as the jumping off point. All right? Don't plot slope from the origin. When we give you a point, you use that point to plot your slope. Now, I always like to do 2 points. So now I'm going to go the opposite direction to make a really nice, neat line. 1, 2, 3, 1. So I'm going to connect the 2, or in my case 3, points for a line. And you know, I've said it before, cannot draw a straight line to save my life. Okay, there's my line. 1, 2, yeah. My original point, 2, 4, right there. And my slope up and over. And that's all you have to do.